Thank you for watching You Can Do It. I'm your host, Chris Spencer, and today we're going to be troubleshooting a GFCI that's out on this porch. It appears to not have any power at it, but I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and determine whether or not it's the circuit, the breaker, or the GFI. So stay tuned. We're going to show you how you can do this. So it appears that this is dead. So we're going to take the cover off and research further here with the voltage tester to check to see if we have power present at the GFCI. Check from hot, check from hot to ground, 122 volts. So the GFI is bad because we have power here at the GFI. So we're going to replace it. You can turn the power off, or you can leave it hot, whichever you prefer. If you're not comfortable working on hot power, I recommend turning off the circuit. Line side load. We're going to install these 3 wires on the line side. The ground always just goes to the ground, but you want to make sure you have your hot side and your neutral side. The black wire is the hot wire, we tested it, and the neutral is the white wire, which lands on the silver screw.